Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about SEO and all the things that's going to come up in 2025 and how you as a brand can prepare yourself based on the impact that OpenAI and Google, Gemini and all the different companies have already created in the way you use search engines. So if you are a business, if you are a brand or a freelance consultant or an agency who provide SEO services, you need to understand that things are going to be different in 2025. So let's get started and let's go through some interesting key trends and strategies that you need to know. The first one is, of course, as you know, AI and machine learning is impacting SEO. Now, the way this is going to impact is you will be seeing more personalized results. Search engines will try to deliver more tailored, information based on user behavior and preference. And the key term for this is retrieval augmented generation. Basically, adding more context, adding more intent, and providing answers and results based on user preferences and user behavior. Earlier, when OpenAI launched ChatGPT, it was basically a large language model, and it was able to predict, the next word based on previous interaction. But now it can take into consideration your conversation history. It can take into consideration the data that you upload, whether it's, emails or PDF files. The same experience is what you will be able to have with search engines. The other area is again AI powered experiences. This is already happening with generative experience like SGE, where when you ask a query, you will be able to immediately get a summarized version of the response. And one example I can say is, I just searched for conversational content over here, and look at this. This is AI overview that Google provides, and it's basically summarizing all the information from all the different blogs and in a very concise way. So there goes your organic traffic. Like, these guys are going to lose massive amount of traffic if they have been ranking for this keyword. So that's going to be the new trend, right? Now, in order to combat that, you can focus on creating conversational content, which is creating more content that's natural, conversational, and comprehensive in terms of answering your user's query, but at the same time making sure that you are optimizing it for search intent. So that's like number one in terms of key trends that's going to come up in 2025. Now, the other aspect that I want to mention is, as you're going through this journey, ensure that and make remember that EEAT will still be the new gold standard. Basically it's expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These are the four signals that is like a guiding principle for search engines to provide information that's rich, to rank your website and ensure that your website is above all the AI overview and ranking and outranking your competitors. So boost your EEAT using user generated content, publishing thought leadership articles, high quality backlinks from reputed industry sites. Those four signals are still going to be true, and there is actually a very helpful link, and it is provided by Google's Search Central, that talks about how you can optimize your content for EEAT. Now, the other aspect is you need to focus on user focused content. This is more about addressing pain points and answering questions around user challenges. As I mentioned earlier, focus on the intent and also ensure that you create comprehensive content. Thin content, publishing AI generated content as it is, it's not going to fly. So ensure that it's comprehensive. Rather than focusing on SEO, focus on SIO, which is search intent optimization, and ensure that you're addressing your user's pain point and quickly answering them. And if possible, Try to include interactive content, rich media like videos, which is what I'm gonna touch base in a bit. But calculators, assessors, assessment tools, interactive widgets. These are great way to provide additional user signals and increase engagement on your website. As I mentioned, video is still going to be an important media type that's going to dominate. So create, compelling thumbnails to increase, click-through rate, optimize for video metadata, transcribe and, add captions, and focus on how-to content. Informational content is still going to be valuable. Now, there are a bunch of other AI tools that will automatically help you to create like closed captions. So take advantage of them, right? And also, there are AI tools to quickly edit your videos. So it has become much more easier to create video content, and I would highly recommend using this format. And as you know, YouTube is second largest search engine. And the best part is that you can repurpose your video content on other platforms. It can be social media platform, it can be your own website. You can embed those videos on your website. So there are creative ways to make use of one single piece of content. Technical SEO is going to be again important. These metrics include site speed like core web vitals. Ensure that your JavaScript rendering is properly done, using proper site structure, sitemap, and ensuring that your website is mobile friendly. These are all important signals. And one good tool that, if you're not already using, is Google Search Console. There is a lot of data that Google Search Console provides on your website from a technical SEO perspective and from a site health perspective. So ensure that you sign up for Google Search Console, add your website, and you can track all the technical SEO parameters over there. The next one is, you need to spread your risk and not, put all your eggs in one basket. That basically means you can focus on multi-platform optimization. This is where you diversify your SEO strategy by optimizing for alternative search engines. Again, what I mean by that is you need to also focus on Bing. Microsoft is investing heavily in AI and co-pilots and agents. So focus on Bing as well. It's a great platform, it's a great search engine. I know that Google dominates, but diversify your SEO strategy. With AI overviews, you can already see how bad it's impacting your organic traffic. So if Google decides that, hey, tomorrow I'm just gonna occupy like 50% of the search engine results page real estate for AI overview, that's gonna cause a massive impact. Focus on AI platforms. How can you ensure that your website shows up in ChatGPT's results, in Perplexity, in Claude? How can you make use of social media platforms that have search capability? So diversify your SEO strategy and create alternative options. And that's also a great way for you to have multiple ways to drive traffic. Local SEO and mobile dominance is another aspect. Ensure that you have signed up for Google Business. You need to make sure that your listings are accurate. Focus on customer reviews, collect more reviews. Location specific content will be crucial as well. And of course, optimize for near me related keywords. These are some great ways for you to make sure that you dominate in your local market. People are still going to be looking for services. They are still going to be going to search engine to find direction, to find phone numbers, to find website, to look out for local services. So why don't you make use of local SEO and dominate in the region where you're physically present? So again, local SEO is going to be crucial. And of course that comes with another area, which is ensure that your websites are mobile friendly and that you are able to rank in mobile devices. As I mentioned earlier, make use of rich media content so that your user engagement metrics are through the roof and it performs well. Some of the metrics are click-through rates, bounce rate, time on site, and social shares. These are some ways you can track your user engagement, and they actually give positive signals to search engines saying that your website, your content is highly engaging, and that they need to surface your website at the top. So user engagement is extremely important, and just publishing like text-based content is not going to be enough. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, AI overviews, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, they are going to take a lot of market share. So adapting for zero click searches is important. Some of the ways are feature snippet. You can optimize for direct answers in search results, AI summaries, provide concise, accurate information for AI overviews, and structured data, which basically means implementing a schema markup for enhanced visibility. These are some creative ways that you can optimize for zero click searches. Again, you can also implement FAQ section on your website. That strategy has been going on for many years. So why don't you just simply implement it so that at least AI overviews can pick those answers and it will be able to display them. So adapt your website, your content strategy for zero click searches because it's already happening for a majority of informational keywords. For medium to long tail keywords, the top 10 links is still going to be important, but for you know um, keywords that are seed keywords, short tail keywords, informational queries, zero click searches is going to be important, and that basically means AI overview is going to take a majority of the market share. So these are some ways that you can think about your SEO plan, your content strategy for 2025. I know there's a lot of things are happening, but people keep saying, like, few people who don't believe in SEO, they will always say that, oh, SEO is dead. But that's not going to happen. Search engines algorithm will change, but that does not mean that you can stop publishing content or not focus on creating high quality content. If you are a business, if you have a product or service that you want to promote, SEO is still an important aspect of your digital marketing strategy. In fact, your overall business strategy. So these tactics that I shared will be highly relevant. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time in 2025. Thank you.